Okay. Alright, beginning to turn them over again. This one is about ready to go. I just finished just like the water heater, getting that lit. They had a leak on this one. The older one didn't work, so I replaced that. So I see a little bit of water here, but as you can see, nothing's dripping. Let's see. Put this on, and ooh, this is hot. Be careful, this can heat up really hot to the touch. So you never want to work on that with the water heater lit and heating the water up. Now the deep valve on. It's going back there. Tapped in. This in particular, the valve, there was a valve that failed in the back. The handle failed on that one, so I installed another one here. You know, that made it go along pretty quickly. That's a shark bite, by the way. A shark bite valve. Anyway, I had to also turn this gas valve on. It wasn't ready yet, or the gas wasn't on. So I had to turn that on, and also test that to make sure no gas is coming out. But it's lit now, so we're looking good with that. So that's good. Also back here in the bathroom, this is ready. So there we go, got a light. That's how that came out. May have to turn the water back. Okay, the water's on. Hot, cold, or let's just say cold, hot. Okay, that's looking good. Nothing is leaky. That's a good sign. Everything's okay. Toilet also. Toilet's hooked up and ready. So, looking good, looking good. This in here. Right. Looking good as well. Even the line that needs to come out. So initially, this one's on. Look like there may be a maybe a little problem with this. So I'm letting the water out, so that has to be done. Trying to let the water out. I'll deal with that in a second. But the toilet's all hooked up and the water's on. Also, the shower head's in. So the whole shower's in. And back off. So this thing is supposed to be draining. I may have to see what's going on with that. Well, I'll tell you what, I prefer new construction, but not saying that can't happen, but most likely it'll happen on things that were there formerly. See, that thing is not draining. Alright, I'm going to have to notify them of that. I have to fix this right here. This one was good. Oh, also let me See if there's any. Okay. It may have been on. Also, I see a little water there. So this one might. Oh yeah, I just seen that drip. So that may have to be dealt with. Not sure where it's coming from yet. But I'll deal with that in a second. I'm trying to run through it, let you know what all needs to be done. Also, the dishwasher is in. Kitchen sink is in. Water on. And the garbage disposal may need to be done. Or, I'm sorry, it may be wired in or plugged in. Needs to be dealt with. Also, I see a little puddle there. Yeah, something definitely has to be fixed. It's probably minor. And yeah, this is got a plug on it, so it has to be plugged up as well. I don't know what's leaking. Look like a couple of spots here. Let me figure out what that is. Is it on the water or is it on the drain line? Okay. Looks to be like, yeah, that's on that there. Oh yeah, and I see the water on that. Let me get a little closer up on that. Drips of water on that. So they probably will need to be tight. Oh yeah, that can take a little bit more tight. There. A lot of times you can just do that and it will fix it. Also this here. I should fix that. Well, I have to wipe it up and check it in a minute here. Okay. So I have to check these other things and take care of those ones I found. When I do those, then we'll be all set. So it may be in the next video. I'm going to go ahead and get back to work and probably bring you in after I get them right. Other than that, till the next time, AAC Advantage out. Not sure if I flushed this. Okay. Other than the rest is good. Everything around the bottom. Gonna deal with this. All right. Shalom.